Well, that hood footage sucked and is all blurry, but I'm letting you guys watch it anyway, so enjoy some blurry footage. Hope you enjoyed some blurry footage. Now we gotta continue. We got a bunch more pieces of PPF to do on this thing, so let's get to it. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. There wasn't a whole lot. I personally mentally did not have a great day. Not like actual mental health, just my brain, like just foggy, just not feeling it, and just really not in the motivation to film or to even work PPF. Like today was PPF day for me. Just not in the mood to install PPF today. I have those days. PPF is not one of the things that I absolutely love doing. I'm good at it. I've learned to be good at it. I've learned to enjoy it when I'm doing it, but it's not something that I could personally do all day, every day, and love it. I could not. Rapping, on the other hand, no problem. So that's it for today. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because we'll be back tomorrow. I do need to rearrange the office for some stuff that's coming probably in the next week or two, maybe 2.5. But we need to start prepping for it. So that's probably going to be tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that. And then I think we're going to bring this back to more so just like an actual daily vlog style video series. We've been doing lots of dedicated videos, and we'll still keep the dedicated ones in there that are like dedicated to how to do this or how to do that. But I think we're gonna keep going with some just vlogs. So hope you guys are enjoying the journey. I think this is day 64, I believe. So thanks for watching, guys.